Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today on this most glorious day. Beautiful weather. Finally got a chance to open the workshop doors. You may have seen my walkabout video outside or not, but got it down to 77 degrees in here now. Dried it out somewhat. So I wanted to do a video on the number 5 that I've been tinkering with. It's an imperfect tool. It's got some imperfect situations, but it's going to be a user for someone who's not a furniture maker. So I ran out of sandpaper on rolls. So I was using sheets, and I tried getting some belts from Amazon and they were junk. So I got it as flat as I can. And she's taken pretty good shavings for a number 5 user in less than perfect condition. I mean, that's acceptable in anybody's book. That's acceptable. So I'll take it apart one more time, and I will wipe it down with the tool wipes, the Bullfrog tool wipes, to protect the steel. There is one thing I wish I could fix, and I might try still. The adjusting knob, which is also called the adjusting nut, looks like it has either a flat spot or was taken apart and dented. But as you can see, it's pulling itself to task. Without bulldogging it. So if you're a hobbyist woodworker or a wood plane enthusiast, but you're not a collector, you're not a fancy furniture maker doing it for a living, you can pick up something relatively inexpensive, and it looks like it has a crack that was glued in the handle, and it had a couple rust pock marks. There's a pock mark there on the sole, on the corner, right there. But if all the parts are there, how can you go wrong, right? So I'll give this one more sharpening. I will take it completely apart, wipe everything down. Let me see if I can get this nut off, and I'll show you what I mean. It looks like somebody may have put a vice grip or a plier on there. Yeah, right there. What I might do is run a file, just want to run a file across this lightly, ever so lightly. Yep. Just to get that slight imperfection out of the knob. But otherwise, it's working just fine. I could search around for a spare nut. In fact, I'll leave that off because I'm going to do that. So I hope you've had a great day. Our hobby or craft, if you're a professional, woodworking has always been my hobby and off and on my profession since I was a kid. So that's about it. I'll wipe everything down, dust it off. Put her back together, hone the blade one more time, wipe it down, pack it away. Time to send it off to its new user. So that's about it for today, everybody. Any questions, leave them down in the comments section. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.